Okay, let's see if price comes to my buy zone. Okay. In my buy zone is sitting at 3347 to 3349. The buys today was great. Thank you. Thank you. I think the buys from what time is it? Let me check. I still have one buy that is running the entry from 3335. The entry right now is running about 240 pips. Yeah. So that one I remember I was saying I SLB earlier. That was because I was heading for a multi-class. So I didn't have time to monitor. So I SLB early. One position got pushed out, the other one is still running right now. 240 pips. But I will close it before I end the day. So right now I'm leaning more towards buys. Um, Basically the trend now is bullish, quite obvious. So I'm more comfortable going for buys and sells. Yeah, closing early is fine. I mean, we don't know when it's going to run. So just continue, just keep taking your partials. As long as you are progressing, as long as you're profiting, I think it's fine. Okay, so my buy zone again, my buy zone is right now sitting at 3347.4 up to 3349.60. Okay, I by 10 o'clock, if the price comes down, I will be going in. So on a 1 hour, there is a bunch of liquidity at 3362. Okay, so if it sweeps 3362, it's probably going to come down to my buy zone. So how was your trading week so far? For me, I think early this week I had one or two SL, but I have since recovered, and I will be ending this week in profits. Right, guys, just in case you're watching from YouTube, I mean, in case you're watching on TikTok, just in case you're watching on TikTok, we are also live on YouTube. So the charts is being shown on YouTube if you want to look at my mapping, okay? And my indicator that I've created, okay, there is an entry. I think a couple of days ago, it's still showing lah. So if you want to see how the indicator works, okay, head over to YouTube also. You can see all the charts and everything there also. Also, I just had my dinner. I just had my dinner. I had the McDonald's chili crab chili crab burger. I ordered the double prawn burger. They called me and said they run out of run out of patty, and then they're gonna give me the chicken one. So sad. Has anyone tried the prawn one? So on my chart, I will be going back down to 5 minutes. Okay, let's monitor from the 5 minutes. So guys, how long have you been trading for? How long have you been trading for? So tomorrow is not a trading day, and I don't trade crypto, so I won't be trading BTC. I need a rest from Monday to Friday trading. Does anyone else trade crypto? Trading 7 days a week? Anyone trade 7 days a week? Alright guys, so just in case you don't know who am I run JR Capital. Right now, so I like to, so previously I am a software engineer, so I was thinking how I can use my expertise to help myself in trading. Okay, so what I've done so far is I've created a trading view indicator, okay, that gives you that basically gives signals, okay, and I'm quite liking it. So if you want to get your hands onto trading view indicator, hop on to my Telegram channel. The link is in my bio. PM me my admin account, and I will let you know. So the next step, right? The next step is to convert this trading view indicator into an automated bot. Okay, that means the bot basically will take the trade for you 24/7. Okay, so you don't need to be monitoring the charts, right? When the signal is up, the bot will do everything for you. Right, so for potential sells, okay, I will go in only if the candle closes below 3355. Okay, only if candle closes below 3355. Price is still very bullish right now. Right, so price has booked 3355. Okay, 5 seconds before the candle close, I will go for a sell upon retracement. Upon retracement, let's take a look where I should go for my sell. 3355.7. Okay, I'm calling it out now. 3355. 0.7. If it gives me a retracement up to 3355.7, okay, I will be going in. Okay, let's see if we have an entry. Otherwise, if it comes down to my buy zone, okay, basically this is my buy zone. I will be going in for a buy. So let's see what happens. Price is absolutely in the middle right now. All right, seems like price is heading towards my buy zone. Okay, seems like price is heading towards my buy zone. Right, my buy zone 3349.62. Okay, 3349.62. I will be setting the order right now. 349.6, right? All right, so you see this dark green box behind just lit up. Okay, so that my indicator is also saying that this is a potential buy zone. Okay, so I'm hoping we can get one more entry before we end the day, right? Just now this order block over here, I actually missed it. Okay, this other block was also a very buy zone reason because of all this liquidity over here is being swept. Okay, all this liquidity coming down, swept all the liquidity. Um, this order block that creates this FVG. Okay, valid order block. Okay, I missed it. I was using the other buy zone. Otherwise, it would have been 30 pips. Otherwise, it would have been 30 pips already. Okay, we will just watch for our next mapping. Right, so I see someone is on YouTube. Let me show you the, yeah. If you see this thing over here, okay, this indicator is spectral X. Okay, about this way. Take a look. Right, so this spectral X is created by myself, okay, and it's for our JR Capital Prime members only. Okay, so they're not in the Telegram, they're on the Telegram channel. Hop on in, okay, PM me. This is my account. I will talk to you and ask me how you can get your hands on this spectral X indicator. Right. So once this green and red box light up, so basically green on top means you buy. Okay. The green below means you sell. Okay, very simple. So this one was how many pips? Entry was 30, total of 40 pips on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. Over here again, okay, it didn't hit SL. Okay, it did not hit SL. This was another 20-ish pips, I think. Yeah. Okay, so it works across all time frames. Okay, gives you an alert, and our next step is to convert this spectral X indicator into an automated bot. That means it will take all the trades for you. Okay, it will take all the trades for you. All right, it's approaching our buy zone again. Okay, again, buy zone at 3349.6. Okay, I repeat, buy zone starts from 3349.6. Ten pips away from my entry, 10 pips away from my entry. Right, so from my spectra X, okay, we have a potential cell entry over here. Right, so let's see what this chemical does. Potential cells coming right up, potential cells coming very soon. All right. So right now we are seeing this red color box. Okay, this one, this red color box from our spectra X indicator. Okay, a cell is coming soon, like right now. Okay, so enter for a cell right now. 3354.8. Okay, I've entered about there. Okay, I've entered about there. 3354.8. So roughly every about 10 pips, I will be just adding one more layer. Right, so let's see how this trick plays out. Okay, I've just taken my partials. I've just taken my partials. LBE. Okay. My entry is at 3356.95. Okay, I just got pushed out at BE. I just got pushed out at BE. There was a quick 20 pips scalp. That was a quick 20 pips scalp. Will we get another entry tonight? Let's find out. Let's find out. All right, so the best case scenario, okay, you see this green line. I'm gonna make it thicker, okay, which is at 3362. Okay, I want I want it to wake up, create a change of character before I go in for a sell towards my buy zone. Okay, that's the best case scenario. Okay, all my confluence, a lot of confluence is over here. A lot of confluence is over here. So price is now approaching 3362. Let's take a look. All right, price is coming down again, going up, absolutely ranging there. Okay, let's take a look at 5 minutes. I'm sure it's ranging on the 5 minutes. Pretty much, yes. It is not touching my sell zone, not touching my buy zone. Okay, absolutely between a 70 pips range from about 50 to 57. Absolutely ranging over there. So ranging market is what I hate the most. Okay, limited upside, and the price suddenly breaks out against you. Okay, the loss is usually more than your profits, what you can actually make. Let's see where price is going. Okay, so do you think price will come down to my buy zone or go up my sell zone? And so my buy zone is at 3347 to 3349, while my sell zone sits at 3362. But for the sell, right, I don't want a candle closure above. I want a wick, okay? And for additional confluence, after sweeping 362, I want it to create a bearish change of character before coming down to my buy zone. Which one do you think will happen first? The buy or the sell? Let me know what you think. Okay, are we going to buy or are we going to sell? You know, one of the hardest thing in trading is marking out your zone. Okay, marking out your zone. Um, and then meanwhile, you can do nothing, right? It's really a test of your patience. Okay, you have your confluence, you have your zones marked out. You just have to wait. If price wants to range there for the next 2 hours or one whole day, you just have to wait. A lot of people, while they have marked out their zone and then the price doesn't reach their zone, they will find, I think many people try to squeeze out trades. They find additional reasons to enter the trade, and that's where things start going wrong. So you have prepared so long, okay, to mark out your zone, okay. If price doesn't come, you just have to wait. All right. So price was close to my buy zone right now for the third time. Okay, if price doesn't tap into my buy zone, I am not going to buy. Okay, my buy zone starts at 3349.62, which is currently about, what is that, 10 pips away. Okay, we can prepare potential buy 3349.62, 349.6. I'm going to leave it at 33496. So again, the third time, this time if price doesn't come into my buy zone, I will continue waiting. Okay. If it goes to my sell zone on top, 3362, then I will be going in for a sell. Maybe price has gone to sleep. It's Friday. Market is going to close in like what? How many hours? Six hours time. Market is going to close in 6 hours. I am in profits this week, so even if price doesn't want to give me one more entry before I end the night, that is fine. Okay. I don't want to squeeze out high risk trade. Okay. I don't want to risk my profit for the week. So anyway, guys, how has your trading week been? Did you hit your target? Are you in a loss this week or profits? You know, if you took this entry from Spectra X entry at 3330, what time was it? This morning at 10 a.m. Okay, that would have been 200 pips again. That's more than 200 pips now, basically no drawdown from Spectra X. Okay, all the way to the top, all the way to the top. On the 1 hour chart, yesterday at about this timing, okay, exactly 24 hours ago, Thursday, no, that's last week, 3rd July, Thursday last week, yeah, okay. A bit of a drawdown of about 40 pips, okay, which is fine. And then subsequently hitting full TP of actually 70 pips, okay, very reasonable. Okay, so this Spectra X, if you want Spectra X, if you want, this is invite only script. If you want a copy, okay, hop on into my Telegram channel, okay, PM me over here in Telegram, and I will get you your copy. Okay, basically I will invite you. So in your Telegram indicator, you will have this invite only script, which is Spectra X. Right, let's hop on back to our 1 minute chart. Yes, price is back to our 50-minute, 50% mark. Price has no idea where it wants to go and have no entry. Price doesn't make a decision, we don't make a decision. Does anyone else trade, DJ? So anyway, just to let you know, our trading view indicator Spectra X works on forex pair also on cryptocurrency. So if you want to trade over the weekends, you can still use it. Okay, Spectra X is based on an ICT concept. Okay, so basically, um, we created the codes based on one of ICT's concept. So guys, how many of you are from my Telegram channel? Right, and let me know if you have caught any wins this week today. Let me know what was your biggest win. What was your biggest win? price is trying to come down for the what, fourth time. Will price give us an entry on the fourth time? 20 pips away, about 30 pips away. So I do have a feeling that price will be ranging here for maybe a whole night until the market close. Okay, until the market close. So I will be ending the live very soon. Okay, but if you are still going to watch the market, okay, this is what you can do. Okay, this is my liquidity level on higher time frame 3362. Okay, if price breaks up above, close below, okay, have a change of character, okay, you can sell towards the buy zone at 3349, starts at 3349. The price comes down to the buy zone first, okay, then there is bullish change of character on the 1 minute or 5 minutes. Go for buy towards the top. Okay, right now price is absolutely in the middle. Okay, there's nothing we can do about that. Right, so let's be patient. If you want to watch the markets, go ahead and watch. Otherwise, enjoy your weekend. Okay, we have been training for whole week, 5 days. So enjoy your weekend. Uh, reset your brain, reset your mentality, whether in a loss, trying to catch up, do some backtesting, explore new entry models, okay, do it in a weekend. Right, I'll be ending my live here. Thank you guys, and